Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc0000005 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The second solution is to update drivers. And how would you do that? So right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab. We can click on check for updates, but other than this, we can click on advanced options, optional updates, and if you find any driver updates, then please install them. The next solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT or the malware scan tool. It needs a few seconds to open. Click on next, select full scan, next, and let it scan through. And the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to initiate the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.